Hello everyone! Welcome to this episode on voltage transducer wiring operation. We will use the Hangzhi HCV500 transducer as an example to demonstrate the wiring operation of voltage transducers. The equipment used for this wiring test includes a programmable DC standard source that developed and produced by Hangzhi for measuring output, a high-precision 6-digit multimeter for measuring the transducer's output voltage, a transducer power supply, providing 15 volts power to the transducer. The HCV500 high-precision voltage transducer. The Hangzhi HCV500 high-precision voltage transducer features a PC injection molded case. The top panel is engraved with the Hangzhi logo, and the overall design follows the internationally mainstream black color scheme. The front and back of the case are equipped with mounting holes, allowing flexible vertical or horizontal installation based on the installation environment. The primary and secondary side interfaces are arranged at front and rear side. The red and blue terminals are for the primary side, while the opposite side features Phoenix terminals for the secondary side. Beside the secondary side Phoenix terminals, there is a transducer operation indicator light to display the transducer's working status. Directly under the indicator light there is a reserved zero adjustment hole for maintenance use. The primary side of the voltage transducer consists of red and blue terminals. Red terminal is connected to the positive pole of the measured voltage, and the blue terminal is connected to the negative pole of the measured voltage. The secondary side output is a 4-pin Phoenix terminal, arranged from left to right as follows. Plus, connect to the 15 volts power supply. Negative, not connected. Out, signal output terminal. GND, power ground, also serving as the signal output common terminal. When wiring, make sure to carefully check the terminal markings on the transducer to ensure correct connections. This is the foundation for ensuring the transducer functions properly. This is a par-connected 4-pin Phoenix terminal plug cable based on the terminal definitions. To use it, simply insert it into the 4-pin Phoenix terminal socket on the transducer. Then, connect the other end according to the terminal definitions. Connect the 15 volts power wire and ground accordingly. After connecting the power wires, proceed to connect the output. Connect the positive output from the secondary side from the out terminal, and the common output terminal from the G terminal. This gives us the positive and negative outputs of the secondary side voltage. Since the transducer itself cannot directly read data, we need to connect the secondary side to a data acquisition device. Here we use a 6-digit multimeter as an example. Under no load conditions, we power on the transducer. Once powered on normally, the green indicator light will remain steady. If the indicator light does not illuminate, please check whether the power line connections are secure. After ensuring the transducer is powered on normally, proceed with the test. Hangzhi transducers support both AC and DC current measurements. In this example, we use DC for testing. During testing, connect the positive pole of the measured voltage to the red terminal and the negative pole to the blue terminal. Now we use the standard source to output a 200 volts measured voltage. As you can see, the 6-digit multimeter has already read the transducer's secondary side output voltage when we adjust the standard source to reduce the measured voltage by 10%. The 6-digit multimeter shows a clear and synchronous change in the displayed value as the measured voltage changes. The above is the complete wiring process for the Hangzhi HCV high-precision voltage transducer. We hope this video helps you better understand and operate it. If you have any questions during use, feel free to contact us anytime.